Yeah, this is Devon Networks. Kukaba Cup. Ewema njengamanje ngino coach we2 for joy. Coach TK Mfokakoza. Sizwa kithi. Niwinile igame. Uzizwa kanjani nje? Ake sikhulume ngayo igame. Uzizwa kanjani igame?
Bafowethu mangibonga ithuba. Hayi, ngizizwa ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi abafana bakwazile ukudlulela ukuthi bakwazi ukudlala igame elandelayo. Noma ke phela singakafiki kuphi kodwa nje ngithokoze kakhulu mfowethu.
Buti asikhulume ngeKhaba Cup. Sekuyindebe ezakhele igama kakhulukazi kule region yaseThekwini. Kusho ukuthini kunina as i2 for joy ukuba ingxenye yeKhaba Cup?
Mfowethu asibonge kakhulu ukuthi iKhaba Cup isilethele into eyisimangaliso la sikwazi khona ukuthi siveze abafana bethu. We were fortunate as i2 for joy ukuthi last year we won iKhaba Cup. Then i-exposure yaqhamuka kubafana akwazi ukuthi aselectwe athathwa ama-team abangaphezulu kwethu. Angibonge kakhulu.
Asikhulume nge-team ke oyi-assemblile ukuthi uze la, how difficult was it? Kakhulukazi or considering ukuthi ni team eyama contender, obviously wonke umuntu uplana igame yakhe, wakha iphilosophy yakhe ebheke ukuthi nina nidlala kangakanani ngoba azi istrength senenisebenzisile ukuthi niwine indebe.
Mfowethu ukurana ibrand njenge2 for joy noma ukuassemblisha abadlali that should represent i2 for joy kuma games akanjena, it's a very difficult task. But thanks to coach Thami Dladla okwaziyo ukuthi ahlanganisa abadlali with myself, sikwazi ukuthi it's been very hard ngoba every tournament amancane siwadlalile, everyone wanted to prove to them ukuthi ayiba ready ukuthi babhekane ne2 for joy kodwa nje we got a good quality players. We always had that fortunate to sikwazi ukuhlanganisa building on ibase yabadlali vele abahlala bekhona eteamini.
Sikhulumeke ngemesh abadlali bakho, they were so relaxed, understanding i-tactic abanikezwe yona, i-philosophy abanikezwe, i-guidance ekade ikhona towards the whole game. Sitshele ngalokho.
I think it all starts to team in the way how we train. It's very different to kuma teams. Most of the teams are assemblisha ikwati ngoba sekufanele kudlala iKhaba Cup or a big tournament. Tina, we always train every Tuesday, every Thursday. We always train. When we bringing players, let's have abadlali basuke be. That's why we so used ukudlala si under pressure. Pressure nje sijwayele. That's why when we approaching game lesidlalile with the dream team, they got good quality players, but because we know what we're doing, it makes it easier for us.
How long have you been with 2 for joy?
I've been with 2 for joy as a player myself since 2007, but the team is established in 2004. I took over as a coach. That was in 2014, 2015, 2016 till now as a senior coach with 2 for joy.
Buti siyabonga ngesikhathi sakho.
Angibonge kakhulu bafowethu.
Yeah, this is Devon Network. Sikhona kwiKhaba Cup. 2 for joy. Coach TK Mfokakoza. Danko.
Hey bomvu.